Good morning, children. Let us continue with the chapter Circles. Today, our topic is constructing a circle of given radius. Before that, let me introduce an instrument that we use to draw a circle. See the instrument? Compass. Compass is an instrument used to draw a circle. Now let's see the steps to construct a circle of radius 5 cm. Step 1. Fix a sharp pencil into the compass such that the metal and the pencil points are at the same level.
Step 1. Fix a sharp pencil into the compass. See, this is the compass and we are going to fix this sharp pencil in this compass. Okay. To fix the pencil in the compass, you have to insert through the hole of the compass. Okay. Through the hole, you can insert the pencil such that, see, the pencil point and metal point are at the same level. You have to fix like this. Okay. Then tight the compass. Now the metal point and pencil point are at the same level.
Step 2. Stretch the arm of the compass and adjust it against a ruler so that the 2 points are at a distance of 5 cm.
Now stretch the arm of step 2 is stretch the arm of the compass. Okay. Stretch the arm of the compass. You can stretch the arm like this. Okay. Now what do you have to do? Adjust it against the ruler so that 2 points are at a given distance. Here we are going to draw a 5 cm radius circle. So first you have to keep the metal point at 0. Okay, at 0 you have to keep the metal point at 0. Then you can press the pencil. You can press the arm where we fix the pencil. Adjust the arm till it reaches 5 cm. See, like this. Now it reaches 5 cm. So that the distance, the 2 points are at a distance of 5 cm. The distance from here to here is 5 cm.
Step 3. Mark a point P on a paper.
Next step is step 3. Mark a point P on a paper. I put a point on here and mark it as P.
Step 4. Place a metal point on the point P and rotate the compass holding its upper tip to draw a complete circle.
Next step, hold the tip of the compass. This is the tip of the compass and keep the metal point on the point P and rotate the compass. Rotate the compass like this to get a complete circle. Like this to get a complete circle. Okay. Now you can use your ruler to join this point to the point on a circle and mark this as 5 cm. This is the radius of the circle. We draw a circle with radius 5 cm.
Another example, construct the circle of radius 5.5 cm.
Now we are going to draw a circle of radius 5.5 cm. See children, I am going to use a sketch pen to make it little more clear. Okay, you should not use sketch pen. You have to use pencil itself. Okay, now the first step, what is the first step? Insert the pencil into the compass and make sure that the pencil point and the metal point are at the same level. Then tight the compass. Okay, tight the compass. Then stretch the arm of the compass and adjust it against the ruler. Keep the metal point at 0 and adjust the arm where we fix the pencil till it reaches 5.5 cm. So here is the 5.5 cm. Okay. Next step, you can put a dot and mark it as P. Then by holding the tip of the compass, you can place the metal point on the dot and rotate your compass like this to get a complete circle. Okay. Is it clear now? This is how you have to draw a circle.
Next question. Construct a circle of diameter 8 centimeter.
Here we are going to draw a circle of diameter 8 centimeter. Diameter is given, but we have to know what is the radius to draw the circle. First we will find out the radius. We know that radius is equal to diameter divided by 2. That is equal to 8 centimeter divided by 2. What is the answer? 4 centimeter. When we divide 8 by 2, we get the answer 4 centimeter. So we get the radius as 4 centimeter. So to draw the circle, first you have to insert the pencil into your compass and make sure that the metal point and the pencil point are at the same level, like this. Then tight your compass like this. Tight your compass. Then mark a point on the paper. You have to draw 4 centimeter. So adjust the compass against the ruler. Keep the metal point at 0 and adjust the arm where we fix the pencil till it reaches the 4 centimeter. So I keep the metal point at 0 and press the arm where we fix the pencil to reach 4 centimeter. See, now it is 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the distance, 4 centimeter. Now you can hold the tip of the compass and keep the metal point on the point. Then rotate the compass to get a complete circle. This is what? 4 centimeter radius circle. That means diameter is 8 centimeter. Now we can mark the radius. This is 4 centimeter. From the point to the circle, it is 4 centimeter. And this is what the diameter. Diameter is how much? 8 centimeter. Okay.
Next question. Using a compass, construct 3 circles of radii 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, keeping the same center for all the circles.
Now we are going to construct 3 circles of radius 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter, keeping the same center for all the 3 circles. Let us see how. First, I am going to construct a circle of radius 3 centimeter. For that, I mark a point P. Okay. Then, fix a pencil on the compass. Make sure that the metal point and the pencil point are at the same level. Then, adjust it against the ruler to get 3 centimeter like this. Okay, now it is 3 centimeter. Now hold the tip of the compass and keep the metal point on the dot and rotate the compass to get a complete circle like this. Okay, so we get the first circle of 3 centimeter radius. Next we are going to draw 5 centimeter circle, 5 centimeter radius circle. To draw 5 centimeter circle, I adjust the compass against the ruler to get 5 centimeter. See, like this. Okay, now it is 5 centimeter. Again, by keeping the same centers, by keeping at the same center, keep the metal point at the same center, then complete the circle. Rotate the compass to complete the circle by holding the tip of the compass. Okay. So here we get the next circle with 5 centimeter with the same center. Now let's draw the last circle with radius 7 centimeter. For that, I adjust the compass against the ruler to take 7 centimeter in the compass. Okay, see, it is 7 centimeter now. Now again, keeping the metal point on the same center, you can rotate the compass by holding the tip of the compass to get a complete circle. See, this is how you have to draw 3 circles of the given radius with same center. Now you can mark the radius of all the 3 circles. First circle is of 3 centimeter. So we can mark here 3 centimeter. Second circle, from the center to the second circle, it is 5 centimeter. Then from the center to the third circle, it is 7 centimeter. Okay.